This Instant Pot pasta is so creamy with an incredible flavor.
This is a one-pot Instant Pot pasta, so the sauce and the pasta all cook together in your Instant Pot. While that's cooking, you make this decadent pesto cashew cream in your blender, then stir it all together for this creamy, addictive pasta dish. If you like this recipe, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Heat some oil in your Instant Pot, then saute onion and garlic with a little bit of salt until the onion starts to brown. Now add the rest of the sauce ingredients and the pasta right to your Instant Pot. Lock the lid, then cook at pressure while you make the pesto cashew cream. Combine soaked cashews, garlic, and water in your blender and blend until smooth. Then stir in fresh basil and set that aside. When the pasta's ready, throw a towel over your Instant Pot because it's going to sputter a lot when you release that pressure. Open the lid, then add the baby spinach and stir until it becomes wilted and tender. Then stir in that pesto cashew cream and you are ready to serve. Just look how rich and creamy that pasta is. I love how quick and easy it is to make Instant Pot pasta, and I love that my kid asks for it every single week. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make creamy vegan pasta in the Instant Pot. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!